Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. To stop news pop-ups in Google Chrome, the most effective way to block notification from specific news website or disable the option for website to request notification altogether. Here's how you can do. Open Google Chrome, click three vertical dot in the top right corner of the browser. Select settings from the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on privacy and security for the left-hand menu. Select settings, scroll down and click on notification under the permission settings. Under the allowed to send notification section, locate the news website that are sending you pop-up notification. Click the three vertical dot next to the website and choose block or remove. If you want to disable all notification, toggle off the switch next to the site can ask to send notification, and at the top of the notification page select all. What you want to do is use ad blocker extension to block news pop-up. If specific news websites are showing pop-up notification through ads, you can block them using ad blocker as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.